Hello and welcome. I am Bhavan, and you have tuned into the fourth episode of the Law and Tech Bulletin from Lawyers Learn, a show where we bring you the latest from the law and technology space. Here's what made headlines in the last fortnight. Social media giant Twitter has moved the Karnataka High Court against the Indian government's order to take down some content. The microblogging platform has challenged several of the government's blocking orders issued under Section 69A of the Information Technology Act 2000. In a petition filed before the High Court, Twitter has argued that the orders are procedurally and substantially deficient of the requirements of Section 69A. It has also alleged that they demonstrate excessive use of powers and are disproportionate. The move has come after the Ministry of Electronics and IT wrote to Twitter in June, warning it of penal action if the tweets asked to be taken down were not blocked. Reports suggest that in its letter, the ministry had detailed serious consequences of non-compliance, including, but not limited to, criminal proceedings against Twitter's chief compliance officer. A cyber unit of the Delhi police arrested Mohammad Zubair, the co-founder of fact-checking website Alt News, on the 27th of June for allegedly hurting religious sentiments. The arrest was based on a complaint by a police officer. The officer had noticed a post from a Twitter handle objecting to Mohammad Zubair's tweet from March 2018. The tweet in question uses images from a Hindi movie produced in 1983. And last week, a Sitapur court in UP sent Zubair to 6 days police custody. The case pertains to a May 27 tweet by Zubair in which he referred to Bajrang Muni, Yati Narsinganand, and Anand Swaroop as hate-mongers. However, the Supreme Court granted him interim bail in this matter. The Gujarat High Court Advocates Association has written to Gujarat High Court Chief Justice Arvind Kumar, urging the court to initiate contempt proceedings against those misusing live-streamed videos of court proceedings. The letter alleged that these videos were being misused by individuals on social media for personal or commercial purposes. It also highlighted that such misuse was against the Live Streaming Rules 2021. The Jammu and Kashmir government has directed that court orders for release of prisoners should not be communicated through telephone. In its notification, the J&K government said that such orders should be given effect to only if communicated physically or through the official software launched by the Supreme Court. Remember, in March of this year, the Supreme Court had launched Fast and Secure Transmission of Electronic Records, or FASTER, a digital platform to communicate interim orders, stay orders, bail orders, and so on. And now, the big international headline. The European Parliament has adopted the Digital Services Package, comprising the Digital Services Act and the Digital Markets Act. The package, which was first proposed by the European Commission in 2020, sets out a comprehensive rulebook for online platforms. While the Digital Services Act aims at enabling the protection of users' rights online, the Digital Markets Act focuses on creating fair and open online markets. Those were the big stories for this fortnight. Our podcast is now available across all major platforms: Spotify, Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, Amazon Music, and Anchor. Do subscribe wherever you get your podcasts. You can also tune in to this bulletin on YouTube. Please also share your feedback to help us make this bulletin better and more useful for you. See you soon with the next installment of the Law and Tech Bulletin from Lawyers Learn. Till then, toodaloo.